Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can use Trello's checklist due dates feature effectively. This is your full 2025 guide to mastering this beneficial tool for task management. First off, let's start by creating a new card on your Trello board. To do this, simply click the Add Another Card option on any of your Trello lists. Now that we've done that, let's name the card according to the task or project you're working on. It's important to give your card a specific name so you can easily identify it later. Next up, click on your new card to open it. Then, click on the Checklist button on the right-hand side of the card to add a new checklist. This helps us because it allows us to break down a larger task into manageable subtasks, each with its own due date. Now, let's add a task to our checklist. Type in the task in the Add an Item field and hit Enter. But we're not stopping there. Here's what's happening next. We're going to add a due date to our checklist item. Click on the pencil icon next to the task you just created, and a new option, Change Due Date, will appear. This is where Trello's Checklist Due Dates feature comes into play. By adding due dates to your checklist items, you can ensure that every part of your project is completed on time, enhancing your productivity. The reason we do this is to keep our tasks aligned with our timelines and prevent any missed deadlines. Alright, once you've clicked on Change Due Date, a calendar will pop up. Now, simply select the date you want this task to be due. Note that you can also choose a specific time if you wish. This adds an extra layer of precision to your task management. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use Trello's Checklist Due Dates feature. Let me explain why this matters. By using this feature, you can keep track of your project progress and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. To wrap things up, using the Checklist Due Dates feature in Trello allows you to segment your tasks, assign due dates to each, and manage your projects more effectively. So go on, give it a try, and supercharge your productivity. Thanks for joining us today, and as always, stay organized and keep up the good work.